Good morning, students. Previous lecture we have seen the menstrual cycle or reproductive cycle. In that reproductive cycle, already we have told that the four phases: the menstrual phase, then secretory phase, then ovulatory phase, then post-ovulatory phase or luteal phase. In that phases, the reproductive cycle, there is changes in the uterine wall, also changes in the ovary, and also changes in the hormones of the ovary and hypothalamus. After that, gametogenesis. What is meant by gametogenesis? Its name indicate gametes, genesis, generate होणे. म्हणजेच काय? Gamete production ची process. Gametogenesis means the production of a gamete, or it is the process in which there is a production of a gametes. Which gametes or gametogenesis occurs only in the sexually reproducing animals. हे गॅमेटोजेनेसिस फक्त सेक्झुअली रिप्रोड्युसिस एनिमल्स मध्ये होतं. In the human being, this gametogenesis means the production of a gametes in the female, production of the ova or production of the eggs, and in male, the production of the sperm. Egg and sperm, these are the gamete in the human being. In the male, there is a production of male gamete, that is a sperm. Sperm is the male gamete or sex cell, that is known as a spermatogenesis. What is meant by spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis means production of sperms. Production of a sperms is called as a spermatogenesis. In the male, you have studied in the previous lecture the TS of testing. For understanding, I am drawing this TS of testing. In the TS of testing, there are the many seminiferous tubules. These rounded are the seminiferous tubules. These rounded seminiferous tubules, हे जे rounded seminiferous tubules आहेत, these rounded seminiferous tubules, it is lined by the cuboidal germinal epithelial cell. हा seminiferous tubule च्या मध्ये हे germinal epithelium याच्या मधल्या बाजूला लाईन झालेला आहे. In the male gamete production, that is the spermatogenesis, this germinal epithelium of the seminiferous tubule, this seminiferous tubule contain the germinal epithelium, and this germinal epithelium, it is stimulated by the gonadotrophic hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. This follicle stimulating hormone, it act upon the germinal epithelium of the seminiferous tubule, that is the cuboidal germinal epithelium, and this germinal epithelium, it develop into the many primordial cells. Many primordial cells. These primordial cells are the diploid in number, that is it contains the 46 chromosome, and this primordial cell under the influence of follicular stimulating hormone undergoes the changes, and there is a mitosis division takes place, and it produces the spermatogonia. This spermatogonia, it is also diploid in number, that is it contains also 46 chromosome. So this spermatogenesis, it is divided into the three phases. The first phase is the multiplication phase, second phase is the growth phase, and third phase is the maturation phase. In the first phase, the multiplication phase, this primordial cell from the germinal epithelium, it undergoes the mitosis. Mitosis का मतलब होता है double division, and that cell divided, one primordial cell, it divided into the two equal size of the primordial cell, and that primordial cell also contain the diploid number of the chromosome, and this multiplication phase by the mitosis means 1, 2, एकाचे 2 झाले, या दोनाचे 4 झाले, means there is a double division and there is a not changes in the content of the chromosome, means all these cells contain the diploid set of the chromosome. That is diploid set of the chromosome का मतलब होता है it contain the 46 chromosome. Means in the spermatogenesis, the first stage is the multiplication phase. In the multiplication phase, the germinal epithelium of the seminiferous tubule stimulated by the gonadotrophic hormone of the hypothalamus, it stimulates the follicle stimulating hormone, and this follicle stimulating hormone, it develops the primordial cell. From primordial cell to the spermatogonia and this primordial cell of the germinal epithelium both contain the diploid set of the chromosome, that is 46 chromosome. After that, second phase is the growth phase. This spermatogonia, it contains the diploid set of the chromosome. This one of the spermatogonia, it grows in size due to the accumulation of the food, and growth occurs of the spermatogonia. After the growth, this spermatogonia, it converted into the primary spermatocyte, and it is also diploid. That is, it contain the diploid set of the chromosome, that is 46 chromosomes. After that, in the third phase, after growth phase, in the third phase, there is a maturation phase. In the maturation phase, there are the meiotic division. Meiotic division का मतलब होता है reduction division. आता reduction division मध्ये काय होतं? This primary spermatocyte, it undergoes the first meiotic division, and that is reduction division, and to produces the two haploid secondary spermatocyte. आता शब्द काय म्हणतो मी बघा, haploid का मतलब होता है it contain the n का मतलब होता है 23 chromosome, and here 23 chromosome. Means this is the haploid secondary spermatocyte. After that, the secondary spermatocyte undergoes the second meiotic division, and produces the four haploid spermatid. Spermatid are also haploid. Haploid means it contains the single set of the chromosome, that is 23 chromosomes are present in the spermatid, and these spermatid are the non-functional, non-motile. After that, these spermatid attaches to the Sertoli cell. This Sertoli cell or nerve cell, which are present in the seminiferous tubule, attaches to the Sertoli cell or nerve cell for deriving the food material. After that, there is the growth occurs, and spermatozoa or sperms are developed. And the head of the sperm, which is sperm's head, it developed from that is acrosome developed from the Golgi apparatus, and it attaches to this Sertoli cell or nerve cell. And this spermatozoa, it is the motile, while the spermatids are the non-motile or non-functional. And after development, this spermatozoa, the motile spermatozoa is also called as a sperm. It is a motile. There is a development of a full development, that is head, middle, base, and tail. And the acrosome, the cap of the sperm, it is developed from the Golgi apparatus. Means आपण काय बघितलं, स्पर्मॅटोजेनेसिस. आता स्पर्मॅटोजेनेसिस मध्ये काय सांगितलं, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द स्पर्म फ्रॉम germinal epithelium of the seminiferous tubule. याच्यामध्ये मी सांगितलं की there is a production of the sperm from the primordial cell up to the spermatozoa is called as spermatogenesis. त्याचं नावच असं सांगताय की spermatogenesis means production of the sperm from primordial cell up to the sperms. त्याच्यामध्ये मी सांगितलं की प्रायमर्डियलच्या सेल आहेत, या सेल कुठल्या आहेत, ह्या जर्मिनल इपिथेलियल सेल आहेत. ह्या जर्मिनल इपिथेलियम कुणाचा आहे, इट इज द क्युबिटल इपिथेलियम ऑफ द सेमिनिफरस ट्यूबल अंडर द इन्फ्लुएन्स ऑफ gonadotrophic hormone, the FSH hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. It develop this primordial cell, that is diploid cell, and mitosis occurs. इथं मायटोसिस होतं and multiplication होतं, म्हणजे एकाच्या दोन झाल्या, दोनाच्या चार झाल्या, आणि हे चार जे झालेले आहेत, these are the spermatogonia. It is also diploid. त्याच्यानंतर सांगितली दुसरी फेज, ग्रोथ फेज. या स्पर्मॅटोगोनिया मधलाच एक स्पर्मॅटोगोनिया ग्रोथ होते, डेव्हलप होतं. कशामुळे? ड्यू टू द अक्युमुलेशन ऑफ द फूड मटेरियल and it converted into the primary spermatocyte. आणि ह्या प्रायमरी स्पर्मॅटोसाइट मध्ये सुद्धा diploid set of the chromosome आहे, that is 46 क्रोमोसोम आहे. आणि तिसऱ्या फेज मध्ये सांगितलं मॅच्युरेशन फेज. आता या मॅच्युरेशन फेज मध्ये काय होतं, माइटोसिस होत नाही, इथं मियासिस होतं. मियासिस का मतलब होता है रिडक्शन होतं. रिडक्शन का मतलब होता है इथं डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम. इकडे 23 जातात, इकडे 23 जातात. And it produces in the first meiotic division, it produces the 2 haploid secondary spermatocyte, and this secondary spermatocyte also contain the याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा haploid set of the chromosome आहे. आणि मग ह्या secondary spermatocyte चं काय होतं, सेकंड meiotic division होते आणि त्याच्यापासून 4 परत स्पर्मॅटिड्स तयार होतात. स्पर्मॅटिड सुद्धा हॅप्लॉइड आहेत, पण ह्या स्पर्मॅटिड नॉन फंक्शनल असतात, त्या कार्यरत नाही. मग कार्यरत कधी होतात, दॅट स्पर्मॅटिड अंडरगोज द ग्रोथ, it requires the time and it converted into the spermatozoa or sperm डेव्हलप होतं. म्हणजे काय होतं, या स्पर्मच्या या गॅमेटच्या वर हेड, मिडल पीस अँड टेल हे तिन्ही भाग डेव्हलप होतात. आणि त्या हेडच्या वरची जे कॅप असते अॅक्रोसोम, ते कॅप अॅक्रोसोम गोल्गी ॲपॅरेटस पासून डेव्हलप होते. अशा प्रकारे in this way the gametogenesis, that is spermatogenesis from primordial cell up to the spermatozoa. Okay. Structure of sperm. Before that we have seen the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis मध्ये मी सांगितलं प्रायमोर्डियल सेल पासून स्पर्म तयार होते, त्याच्यामध्ये मॅटोसिस होतं, मियासिस होतं आणि फायनल स्पर्मॅटोझोआ स्पर्म तयार होते. आता स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द स्पर्म, it is a microscopic gamete or sex cell of the male. It is elongated. ही स्पर्म थोडीशी elongated आहे, मायक्रोस्कोपिक आहे, मेल गॅमेट आहे. and this sperm, structure of the sperm, it shows the main 3 parts. आता 3 parts कुठले, the first part is the head, हा part head, second part is the middle piece and third part is the tail. आता structure of the sperm मध्ये head contain the nucleus. ह्या हेड मध्ये लार्ज साइजचं न्यूक्लियस आहे. दॅट न्यूक्लियस cover cap-like structure. That cap-like structure is called as an acrosome. That acrosome developed from the Golgi bodies. After that, head also contain the 2 centrioles. This proximal centrioles and distal centrioles. These proximal and distal centrioles are present in the head and neck region. This neck region. The head contains this cap-like acrosome. This acrosome contains the hydrolytic enzyme hyaluronidase. This hyaluronidase enzyme, it is helpful to penetrate the ova or ovum or eggs. While it also contains the acrosome also contains the proteolytic enzyme zona lysine. Also it contains the corona penetrating enzyme. Means this hydrolytic enzyme, hyaluronidase, then zona lysine and this corona penetrating, these 3 enzymes are present in the acrosome, and these 3 enzymes are responsible for, हे कशासाठी उपयोगी आहे, responsible for to digest the wall of ovum or egg. ही जी वॉल आहे त्याच्यावरची कोरोनरी डेल्टा, ही डायजेस्ट होण्यासाठी हे acrosome मदत करतात. म्हणजे 3 एन्झाइम, this hyaluronidase, then zona lysine and this corona penetrating enzyme, these 3 enzymes are helpful to penetrate the egg wall or ova wall at the time of a fertilization. Then second part is the neck. It is the short part. It contains the proximal centriole and distal centriole. And this distal centriole, from this distal centriole, there is the arrangement of the one filament, and that filament passes throughout the sperm up to the end of tail. Then second part is the middle piece. This middle piece contains near about 10 to 14 spiral mitochondria are arranged in the middle piece. This spirally arranged mitochondria, it provides energy to the sperm at the time of a motion or movement of the sperm. Then tail, it contains this axial filament. It originates from the distal centriole and passes up to the tail. And this principal part of the tail, it covered by the plasma membrane, while the end piece, it is not covered by the plasma membrane. So this tail, this principal piece, it is covered by the plasma membrane, and this end piece, it is not covered by the plasma membrane. And this is the overall structure of the sperm. It is a male gamete, microscopic, motile gamete, and it contains of the head, middle piece, and tail. These three parts are present in the male gamete, that is sperm.